friends, today I got something super fast for you. Just look at this box. The McLaren 720S in 1:18 scale. It's super low, super sleek and super orange. McLaren can reach more than 200 miles per hour. Even in miniature, it looks ready to race. Let's compare McLaren to other supercars from my collection. Bugatti, the king of power, and cost very much money. Lamborghini, wild and loud. AMG GT, pure German muscle. And McLaren, the lightning fast racer.